Guys, thank you for visiting us at LED Outfitters. I want to do a quick close-up video of our Blade light bar. It utilizes 6 LEDs. This is the 14-inch version. 6 LEDs in every module in the front. 6 LEDs, one module on each side. It's a very small, compact light bar. It comes in the color black. It has 4 magnets underneath, and there's a track underneath, so you could adjust the magnets where you want to mount it onto your vehicle. What's amazing about this light bar is it's waterproof, weatherproof. It comes with a cigarette lighter plug with an on and off switch and a pattern change switch. It has tons of flash patterns. These LED modules have 5-watt LEDs. The off axis on these are amazing. The head-on lighting on these are amazing. Just wanted to do a quick close-up video so you guys can see exactly what it's all about. Cigarette lighter plug as well with an on and off switch and a pattern change switch as well. This is the top of the light bar. Again, it has a nice aluminum solid housing. It's not so wide. I would say this is about 9 inches wide and 14 inches long. Beautiful little light bar. Perfect addition to any vehicle. Thank you guys. Have a great day.